Good morning guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about continuous pattern series. Now we are moving to 17th sum and the question is A dash BC dash A dash BC DA dash CCD dash BCD dash. And the options are A, B, D, D, B, D, and B option is A, C, B, D, B, B. And then C option is A, D, B, B, A, D. And then D option is A, D, B, C, A, D. I am going to use option to find the solution. So I am writing A here. I am using A option. Now I am using A option to find the solution. Again I am copying the question. Substitute A option. A, B, D, D, B, D. A, B, C, D, A, D, B, C, D, A, D, C, C, D, B, B, C, D, D. So there is no continuous pattern found in this series. Now I am going to use B option. Again I am copying the question. Now substitute B option. C, B, A, C, B, D, B, B. A, B, C, B, A, B, B, C, D, A, D, C, C, D, B, B, C, D, B. Here also no continuous pattern found in this series. Now I am moving to C option. A, B, C, A dash, B, C, D, A dash, C, C, D dash, B, C, D dash. Substitute C option. A, D, B, B, A, D. A, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, A, B, C, C, D, A, B, C, D, D. See here. First two letters A and A are repeated here. Here B, B are repeated. Here C, C are repeated. And then last D, D are repeated. So mark this first repeated A, B, C, D terms. Now you see this A, B, C, D, A, B, B, C, D, A, B, C, C, D, A, B, C, D, D. So what do you find in this series? A, B, C, D. Here also ends with D. Here also ends with D. And here also ends with D. So separate till the D comes. In each term, separate till the D comes. Okay. Now find A, B, C, D. A, B, B, C, D. A, B, C, C, D. A, B, C, D, D. As we know, A, B, C, D are the alphabet series. First four alphabet. So in first first and second place, here A are repeated. Then third and second and third place, B are repeated. Then third and fourth place, C are repeated. Then fourth and fifth place, D are repeated. As we know, A, B, C, D is the first alphabet series, number 1, 2, 3, 4. So first place A. So in second place also the A is repeated. So here B is 2. B starts from second place. And third place also B is repeated. Again C. C is third place. So here also C starts from third place. And fourth place also repeated. Then again D. D is 4. D starts from fourth place. Again in fifth place also they are repeated. So this is a continuous pattern series. This is the fourth method, different method. Not easy to identify the answer, just a confusing sum. Please note down it. Have you clear about this sum? So again I am explaining A, B, C, D in alphabet series. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4. So see here, first I am taking this first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. In first term, first place is A. So A is at first place and it's also again repeated in second place, and then B, C, D comes. B, C, D continuously come. This is first term. Then take the second term A, B, B, C, D. B is a second term, second alphabet, and also repeated in third place. So A first place A, B second place, again it repeated in third place, again it continues alphabet series C, D. This is second term. And then take the third term A, B, C, C, D. First place 1, second term is B, third term is C. Here it's repeated in third term. So again continues with, so after C it D in alphabet series. This is the third term. And take the fourth term A, B, C, D, D. First term, first alphabet, this is second alphabet, third alphabet, and fourth alphabet is D. In fifth place also is repeated. Okay. In fifth place also it's repeated. This is the fourth term. and then end with D. This is a difficult question, so please don't note down it. This question was asked in MBA exam 2003 exam, and the correct option is option C. It is difficult to find out the answer, but you find this repeated terms means it will be easy to find the answer. So here I am using the option to find out the answer. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Answer is ADBBAD. This is also a continuous pattern series, different methods sum. Fourth method, already we saw about 3 methods. This is the fourth method. Okay. Here I conclude. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.